Good morning, children. Welcome back to our EVS class. We were enjoying the chapter Food of Animals. Animals की क्या fooding होती है. And in the last video, we have enjoyed this very beautiful and interesting activity, how the animals are reaching their food. So with the help of the pencil, we have to do this exercise. Hope you all have done in your book. So let's move to the chapter and just take a quick revision what we have had in last video. So we have learned three things about animals, that animals need food to live. Yes, all the animals, children, they need food to live. None of the animal, they can't survive, or they also can't live like we human beings are unable to survive without food. So the animals also need food to live and of course to grow also. So different animals have different types of foods. हर animal अपना अपना different जो animals होते हैं वो different foods भी लेते हैं. The very first thing we have learned that there are few animals, they are known as plant eaters, जो कि plants को खाते हैं और वो ज़्यादा खुशी फील करते हैं plants को खाने में. And who are they? Like cow, deer and rabbit. अच्छा, now the next, some are grain eaters. So who are the grain eaters? Like pigeon, hen and mice. वो लोग क्या कहलाते हैं? Some animals eat only food grains. जो सिर्फ food grains को prefer करते हैं वो food grains ही खाते हैं. उन्हें हम कहते भी हैं कि they are called grain eaters. They comes in the category of grain eaters. They love to eat grains like pigeon, hen and mice. And the next we have learned that there are flesh eaters also, because they eat the flesh of other animals like lion, cheetah, tiger and wolf. Now moving to the next point, you can see the picture of tiger, wolf. So here the next is, some animals eat both, children. Okay, कुछ देखो, पहले तो animal plant lover, then the grain eaters, then we have come to know about the flesh eaters. एक है सिर्फ प्लांट खाता है, कुछ भी और चीज़ें नहीं खाता. द अदर इज अ फ्लैश ईटर. नन ऑफ थिंग इज गोइंग टू बी ईटन बाय हिम. वो प्लांट खा ही नहीं सकता, वो सिर्फ फ्लैश खा सकता है. प्लांट वाले सिर्फ प्लांट खा सकते हैं, वो फ्लैश नहीं खा सकते. ग्रेन ईटर ना तो प्लांट ले रहे हैं ना तो फ्लैश खा रहे हैं, वो सिर्फ ग्रेन्स खाते हैं, दाने दून के खाते हैं. बट देर आर एनिमल्स जो कि दो चीज़ें खा सकते हैं कभी फॉर अ चेंज. लाइक उन्हें अगर प्लांट्स मिल जाता है तो वो प्लांट्स पे भी डिपेंड हो सकते हैं, अपना पेट भर सकते हैं, खा सकते हैं. और वो अगर फ्लैश मिल जाता है तो भी खा सकते हैं. और ऐसी क्वालिटी किस एनिमल में है? बियर एंड क्रो आर टू सच animals. We can see the picture of a crow, okay, sitting on a branch, and here is a bear, okay, playing with the fish. So here these two animals, for example, they are having the quality of eating. They are the plant eater also, they are the flesh eater also. So some animals eat both plants and animals. Bear and crow are two such animals. So children, so you have to learn कि certain animals are there. कुछ खास animals ऐसे भी होते हैं जो दोनों चीज़ें खा सकते हैं. Now in the next page what has been given, some animals eat insects. कुछ animals जो होते हैं वो छोटे छोटे कीड़ों को खाते हैं, insects को खाते हैं. They are called insect eater. अब जब वो insects को खाते हैं तो what they are should be called? They are called insects eaters. Frog, okay, we can see the picture of a frog. See the long tongue. इसकी जो टंग की क्वालिटी होती है ना बेटा, वो स्टिकी होती है. तो जब ये अपनी टंग को, लंबी सी टंग को बाहर निकालता है तो उस पर क्या होता है, जब भी कोई फ्लाई या कोई भी कीटाणु, कोई भी इंसेक्ट उसके ऊपर जब बैठता है तो वो स्टिक हो जाता है, चिपक जाता है. और इजीली फ्रॉग जो है उसे अपने माउथ के अंदर आराम से अपनी फूडिंग को ले लेता है और खा लेता है. सो they are the insect eaters. Who are they? Frog, bat and lizard, spider eat insect. See, have you observed lizards? उनकी भी जो वो होती है ना टंग होती है, उसकी क्वालिटी होती है कि वो देखती हैं कि छोटे छोटे दे यूज़ टू मेक अ वेब, वो जाल बनाते हैं, और इस जाल में बेटा जब छोटे छोटे कीटाणु या इंसेक्ट्स फंस जाते हैं तो फिर स्पाइडर उनको ईजीली ग्रैब कर लेते हैं, पकड़ के उनको खा लेते हैं. So you have understood a very well and interesting chapter about the animals' food. There are plant eaters, grain eaters, flesh eaters. Some animals are having both the quality of eating plants and flesh. And here in this picture we have learnt about the insect eaters. The example of insect eaters are frog, bat, lizard and spider eat insects. Okay, here the picture of a frog and the spider is there. Okay, now do you know, तुम्हें पता है? Okay, this two lines are informing us something about a frog has a long sticky tongue. Okay, as I told you just now, a frog has a long sticky tongue. See, we can see in the picture also how long the tongue is coming out with this animal frog. Sticky tongue. It catches insects with its help. अब इस टंग का क्या काम है? Why it is having the quality of stickiness? क्योंकि वो उस पर अभी जैसे right now I have told you उस पर इंसेक्ट बैठता है, वो चिपक जाता है और फिर फ्रॉग उनको इजीली कैच कर लेता है, खा लेता है. इट कैचेस इंसेक्ट विद इट्स हेल्प. तो इस स्टिकी लॉन्ग टंग की हेल्प से फ्रॉग जो है अपने इंसेक्ट्स को कैच कर लेता है, पकड़ लेता है. Now there are few points to be remembered children. बहुत ज़रूरी है जिसे हमें याद रखना है. Like different animals eat different types of food. हर एनिमल अलग अलग फूड को खाने को खाता है. Some animals eat only plants. कुछ एनिमल सिर्फ plants को खाते. They are called, yes, again and again I am telling you, learn this. They are called plant eaters. Some animals eat only food grains. They are called grain eaters children. Some animals eat the flesh of other animals. दूसरे animals के flesh को खाते हैं. They are called flesh eaters. And some animals eat insects. जो कीड़े मकोड़े insects खाते हैं. They are called insect eaters. So plant eaters, grain eaters, flesh eaters and insect eaters. We have learned this very important points in this chapter, as well as they are very informative for us. So hope you all have understood the chapter children. Learn the chapter well, read the chapter well. Reading is a very good exercise. So meet you in the next video. I am sending you the exercise of this page and of course the question and answer I will also send beta. So keep on doing your work in your classroom. So meet you in the next video. Till then, be happy and be safe.